I'm very pleased to say that we have decided to have a theme called Smart South. Smart standing for skills, manufacturing, agriculture, renewables and technology. And we've designed a very smart logo to inspire our member companies to follow these themes and to synergize with the activities already that exist in the southern region. And as you are aware, the southern region is extremely strong in all these areas, and it also ties in very nicely with the national theme for CII, which is Build India and invest in development, a shared responsibility. And CII Southern Region believes that this theme would further enhance all these areas that the Southern Region is well known for. We believe that manufacturing sector will grow, that investment in infrastructure will come in, and the southern region will attract a large percentage of the investments in defense and in the MSME sector as well. And once again, agriculture, which the Prime Minister has said is a very important area for development, and the rural economy focus, we have decided that we will focus on agriculture in a much larger way than we have before. We will focus on higher productivities, organic farming and better seeds, and also focus on bringing down the waste in the agriculture sector. Right from the farm to the market is where a lot of waste happens, and the figures are mind-boggling, even up to about 40%. So we hope that we will work to reduce this. Also on building rural entrepreneurs, and on skilling, CII Southern Region is very, very strong, and we will take it forwards even more. Small pockets are already existing, but with in certain states where this is quite non-existent, such as Telangana and Andhra, we have been asked by the governments to work very closely on building institutions for skilling. We also believe in societal manufacturing. How does manufacturing impact the societies? So that is something we are going to take up in the committee. Green manufacturing, CII will work very closely with we already have a Center of Excellence for Green Energy, so we will be working with them. And frugal innovation, that is something we've decided to take on as well, because Make in India is a wonderful theme, but we have to also see how we can frugally manufacture, because India cannot afford high costs in manufacture. Solar is a great impetus. The state governments want to invest in solar, and we are looking at that very seriously among our member companies. And green cities as well, developing future cities, not just smart cities, future cities where everyone has harmonious living, green energy and low-cost buildings, well-designed buildings and so on. So we will be doing a big conference, a very significant conference in the southern region to bring in more ideas. Water conservation has always been a big thing for CII, and that work will continue. On technology, the IPR regime, CII works very closely. Technology for MSMEs, we are very keen that MSMEs benefit from technology, and also mapping within the future cities, creating a digitally empowered city. So lots of interesting ideas, and this is the logo for the smart city, Smart South. Thank you very much.